Stephanie from the Unmistakably You Wedding Academy, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to put together your wedding day stationery. Chances are pretty good that you've already sent out save the dates or formal invitations, and when you start to think about your day of stationery, you'll want to try and carry through the themes or the designs that you've introduced in your preliminary stationery on the day of. Now, when I say day of stationery, I'm talking about things like your ceremony programs, table numbers, seating chart, maybe place cards if you're doing them, or miscellaneous signage. Just the things that will be placed around your venue to help direct the traffic flow for your guests. You'll want to start thinking about your day of stationery about 3 to 4 months in advance. You obviously can't print things like your seating chart until maybe the week or two before, when you have all of your RSVPs in and you've solidified which table guests are going to sit at. But that doesn't mean you can't start the design right away. And some stationers will provide matching suites of stationery that you can purchase your invitations, and then you can get table numbers and place cards to match. Or if you're working with an independent designer, they can carry through the fonts and the graphics and the colors from your invitations so that it gives that sense of continuity to your whole wedding for your guests. I would always advise you to use repetition as a design element wherever you can. So repeating colors and graphics and fonts in your stationery is a really great way to make everything flow seamlessly for your guests from an aesthetic point of view. It's a good place in your day of stationery to include your theme if you have one. If you have a movie theme, you can include some quotes. Or if you have a travel theme, maybe you want to, instead of doing table numbers, maybe you want to use place names or that kind of thing. So it's a really great way to carry a theme seamlessly through your day. And I would always, as a final tip, advise you that you need to make sure that you proofread really carefully. I've worked with a lot of stationers over the years who are not necessarily very adept at proofreading. They're great stationery designers, but they maybe aren't as cautious with their proofreading. So make sure that you get digital proofs prior to signing off on anything so that you can double check to make sure everyone's name is spelled correctly and that nothing is accidentally misspelled. Have fun with it, carry your theme through, repeat elements from item to item, and your wedding day will be beautiful and organized because your stationery was thoughtful and beautiful.